What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you a new arrival that just came in. We just got this car. Pretty special. 1983 Pontiac Firebird KITT, KITT replica from Knight Rider, also known as the Knight Industries 2000. Really cool. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this car. And first off, I have it running. Nothing crazy under the hood. Crossfire injection 305. Runs great. Runs like perfectly. Starts right up. Not a powerhouse, but pretty fun to drive. Engine bay's pretty clean. Just got it started here so I can show you guys that it runs. And it runs really good. Let's go ahead and close the hood. Here's where it gets special. You got the light from the movie. You got the fog lights. Now, to my knowledge, they never had a convertible KITT in Knight Rider, which Knight Rider was a TV show that aired from 1982 to 1986, starring David Hasselhoff as Michael Knight. And he was driving this most of the time, except his was, I believe, a T-top version. Now, on the interior, a lot to take in. This was all custom done. This is a one-off car. Everything was custom made. You got your joystick type steering wheel. It's got the buttons that make noise. Let's see, these do. You got your ride modes. Really cool. Bunch of buttons. Here's your box to control the front light. And a lot of it's for show, like this cassette deck that would have been here. Not actually a functional cassette deck, but that's what was here in the TV show. All these gauges are functional, as you can see. Your tach, your mile per hour, everything works there. You got your screen here, which is a functional screen. You could hook this up to some cameras. Anything works. You got an aftermarket radio down here, like a, I want to say it's an Alpine, yeah, an Alpine. And then you got your climate controls here, which do in fact work. So pretty cool. Not something you see every day. Even has a little horn here. You got some 5-point racing harnesses. So that's what you'd be wearing for your seatbelts. Let's go ahead and close the door. I mean, just an insane cockpit here. That's what I would call this. 4-speed automatic shifter or transmission, which I'm pretty sure these cars had either 700R or 200R. I want to say 700R. The KITT floor mats, everything was done up for this car, and it has so many features, just custom one-off things that are really cool. As you can see, like I said, they wanted to do somewhat of a convertible type deal here. Now, let's lift up the back. Give me one moment here. It's pretty heavy. So here I have the back up like a tonneau cover, which, as you can see, you got plenty of room for storage. Here is your top. Now, your top does not have any back glass. You could put a removable plexiglass in here, or, you know, redesign the latch system easily if you know what you're doing. It wouldn't be too hard to put back glass in here. The windows go up. They go to this, which I'll put it up here for you guys. Which I'm not getting it latched, but here's kind of the gist of how it looks. This goes down, and it looks pretty decent. Like I said, the only thing, it doesn't have glass. You could easily put like a removable plexiglass here though, and that would work great. But you got tons of storage space that they did for that, and your regular storage space here. As you can see, this tonneau cover type deal has some struts here. Like I said, this is a custom one-off deal. And you can see I got the light going. And it'll flash in multiple patterns. You just got to play with it a little bit. Overall, the exterior of this car is really nice. Black paint. Let's go ahead and put the top back. A little heavy, but got it there. And then you could go ahead and close this. Boom, there we go. So pretty cool. It looks awesome in my opinion. Pretty much everything functions the way it should. Pretty cool. Like I said, somebody really set out to do something special here, and you're not going to find another one like this. Which, like I said, I don't believe they had a convertible in the movie, but somebody said, hey, or the TV show, somebody said, hey, I want to make this. And they did a pretty good job, because as you can see, you got everything. You even got speakers back here. Really cool. This is the only way I could explain it. One-off replica car. But like I said, they never had the convertible, so I wouldn't even classify it as a replica. I'd say this is a, I don't know what you would call it. But this is one of the coolest vehicles we've had here at MGM Classic Cars in a while. And the craftsmanship on building this was awesome. And here's how you work the light. That button just turns it off, and it's pretty easy. You even got the lighted gas pedal, which the car's off, so let me turn the car back on. Lighted gas pedal, how cool is that? You got your radio, which I'm inside, so I can't really pick up a station, but you see the radio works. Everything works as it should. Just an awesome little build. As you see, you got your turn signals, which they all work. It does have tilt wheel, which there's not much you can do with it. You could move it down a little bit, but that's about it. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the rundown on this 1982 Pontiac, or 83, sorry, Pontiac Firebird. Like I said, the body on it's really clean. And just the custom work done to it. Whoever did it was really good at grafting the body lines and creating something, because it looks awesome and it just works. So if you want a one-of-a-kind Pontiac Firebird inspired by the TV show Knight Rider, which was, in my opinion, what a great TV show. Go ahead, watch it if you haven't seen it, which I'm sure most of you have. Very, very famous. KITT was a very iconic car, and you can see why a lot of people like to recreate it. In the TV show, KITT was able to go 300 miles an hour and was bulletproof and fireproof. So that gives you a little example of how the TV shows, if you haven't seen it. And David Hasselhoff, which was pretty much an 80s superstar. He started in a lot of things back then, and he was just your typical cool, you know, I would call him, he wasn't a villain, he was the, you know, the good guy, but he was just cool in that TV show. And this is a cool TV show, so go ahead, watch it if you haven't, and check out our 83 Pontiac Firebird KITT replica, because this one is one of a kind. Everything was customly made, and they did a great job on it. So if you're looking for this, I think this is what you're gonna want. You're gonna want something you could drive it anywhere, you could show it, and nobody else will have one ever. You'll be the only person with this. So come on, stop on by. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, located in Addison, Illinois. Here's our beautiful warehouse in Addison, Illinois. one of 2 of our showrooms. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. If you want a shipping quote, send your zip code to this phone number, 847-848-1850, or give us a call at 847-848-1850 as well if you are interested in any of our vehicles. As you guys know, we have a full service center for anything that needs to be addressed on cars that we sell, but our cars are sold as is unless it is stated otherwise. Just letting you guys know that. As you can see, we're open. We're here. Stop on by. We own them all. No consignment stuff. We rarely do the consignments. So we own this car along with many, many others sitting here, which we own pretty much all of them. So give us a call. Stop on by. You won't be disappointed in this custom KITT car. Hope you guys have enjoyed a little history lesson on the TV show and showing you our beautiful, or work of art, whatever you want to use to describe this thing. I really like it. It's fun to drive, and it's just a conversation piece whenever anybody walks in the showroom. They're like, what is that? And you tell them, and it's them trying to figure out what it is for a half an hour, saying, man, this thing is cool. So yeah, stop on by. Thanks for watching. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and hopefully I'll see you soon picking up our 1983 Pontiac Firebird KITT Night Industries 2000. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you soon. And remember, folks, it sure looks good here, but it will look a whole lot better in your garage. Bye-bye, everyone.